How to remove a review in Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can remove a review in Yelp. So if you've posted a review on Yelp that you'd like to remove, here is how you can do so. You can do so using the desktop or the mobile phone. On the mobile phone, the first step is to launch the Yelp app on the Android device or iPhone, just like I have done here. And then once you've launched the app, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, the next thing to do is to move to the lower part of the screen and then tap on the me icon. After tapping on the me icon, you'll be brought to the page where you would see add review, you would see add photo, you would see check-in, business, etc. Now, by the time you scroll down, you'll see two tabs, namely reviews and then photos. So you can just go ahead and click on reviews. And after clicking on reviews, you'll see all of your reviews here. Now, for me, I have not added any review. That's why this page is empty. But for you, you'll see all of your reviews here. And the next thing is to find the review you want to remove and tap on it. After tapping on it, by the right side of the screen, you will see the remove review option. Click on it, and then you'll be asked to explain the reasons for removing the review. Explain yourself, and then click on confirm, and then just like that, that review will be removed straight away. All right, so this is how to go about it. It's very quick and easy. Ensure you try this out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and have a good day.